Hello guys, just want to share, this is Sapphire Plus from TREES company. This is PETG filament, printing 235 degrees extruder and 70 bed. One thing that I really don't like about this printer, if I want to increase extrusion, no way to do that, as it's really bad. So I think they must change software or update. When I receive this printer, I'm missing a lot of parts, but I contacted seller and he's sending me new parts. Those two Zeta rods, it's too long, so I cut them. It's about 20 millimeters too long, and I'm missing E limit switch, and I miss G-head cooler, so I remade my own. Printer works very quiet, but I not recommend for the 3D printing beginners because it's a lot of tuning, a lot. Frame very stable, super stable actually. I'm going to add link below to best price, so you can buy from GearBest and you get some warranty that I really recommend. I don't recommend to buy from AliExpress direct from TREES because it's very difficult with guarantee. GearBest, it's works just fine. Like I see now, it works really good. Just little problems met with infield. I think need to raise little bit extrusion, make little bit more, but I cannot make with my printer. I must pre-generate new G code, stop printing, and of course I don't want to do that because this is, I just trying, this is very solid part, and this is takes already 3 hours and almost 10 minutes. Nice printer, very long Teflon tube, very short cables, so I cannot move my extruder up. I want to make my tube shorter so I get better retraction. So guys, you must order new cables, but it's much longer. Original cables is just too short. And of course I miss in my kit this side locks, so now we can see cables, but usually it comes with nice locks, so you can lock these cables. Very clean inch actually. I really like this printer. Maybe it's a little bit too big if you want to use at home. So I recommend, if you want to use on your desktop or something, I recommend to buy Sapphire Pro, not the Sapphire Plus. But it's about 305 and 305, something like this. Nice printer, but yeah, it's a lot of work actually to put all together and so on. Definitely not for the beginners. Enjoy, subscribe, and happy 3D printing!